Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Aman. Today the chapter is Atmosphere, lecture number 1 for 10th class. I'm going to talk about layers of atmosphere. Layers of gases which protect the earth is called layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere is the envelope of different gases around the earth. Earth's atmosphere is the layer of gases which protects the earth from the radiation and cosmic rays coming from outer surface. This atmosphere acts as a blanket because it keeps the average temperature of the earth nearly constant. Composition of dry air. Dry air contain 78.09% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, and 0.03% other gases. Now I am going to discuss about layers of atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere can be divided into 5 main layers. These layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. First of all, we will discuss about troposphere. Tropos means change. This layer is closest to Earth's surface. This layer gets its name from the weather that is constantly changing and mixing up the gases in this part of our atmosphere. This layer closest to Earth's surface, on average, troposphere extends from ground to about 12 km high. In this layer, air is made up of approximately 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% argon with small amount of other gases including water vapors and carbon dioxide. Example is hot air balloons fly within the troposphere. The next layer is stratosphere. Strat means layer. Stratosphere layer extends to about 50 km above the Earth's surface. This layer of our atmosphere has its own set of layers. It's the region where airplanes fly. This layer contains thin layer of ozone molecule which forms a protective layer and absorb harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun. The high altitude weather balloons flying into the stratosphere for monitoring atmospheric conditions and climate research. Next layer is mesosphere. Meso means middle. It is the third layer in our atmosphere, which is 35 km thick. This is located above the stratosphere and below the thermosphere. Air molecules absorb incoming electromagnetic radiations from the sun. Some meteors burns up in this atmospheric layer. The question is that what is meteor? Meteor is a piece of rock or matter that has been broken off in space and travel through the atmosphere. When they cross mesosphere, friction and momentum cause the meteor to burn up and appear as a light crossing the sky. Fourth one layer is thermosphere. Thermo means heat. It is located above the mesosphere and below the exosphere. This layer has extremely high temperature. It extends from mesosphere to 120 km above the Earth's surface. Satellites mostly occurs in this layer. This layer contains lightest gases, oxygen, helium and hydrogen found here. Its temperature range is 2 degrees Celsius to minus 93 degrees Celsius. The last layer is exosphere. Exo means outside. On this layer, atoms, molecules escape into space. It extends from top of the thermosphere to 10,000 km above the Earth's surface. In this layer, higher altitude satellites orbit our planet. Its temperature range is greater than minus 93 degrees Celsius. This is the lecture. I hope you understand it. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.